Valency. What is valency? Number of electrons present in the outermost shell of the electron. In the outermost shell of the atom or molecule. So what is the outermost shell of the atom? In the center we know this is the nucleus. These orbitals are around the nucleus in which the electrons revolve. These electrons revolve in these shells, and the electrons which are present in the outermost shell helps in finding out the valency. So first of all we will go through what are shells or orbitals. Orbitals are the path on which electrons move or revolve around the nucleus. At the center there is nucleus. These are the orbitals. These are given alphabetical names K, L, M and N. These all orbitals have different electron holding capacity. There is a formula to find out how many electrons will be held in each orbital. The formula is 2n square. Here n is the number of orbital. That is, if we want to find out for the k. So k, this is the first orbital, this is second, this is third and this is fourth. So 2 into bracket 1 square, 1 square that is 1, 2 into 1, 2 electrons can be held in k orbital. For L, 2, this is the orbital number second, so 2 square that is 2 into 2, 4, 4 2s are 8. For M, if we go 2 into 3 square, because this is third orbital, 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18. For N, 4 square 16, 2s are 32 and so on. Like this, the orbitals are moving all around the nucleus. So now you know how many electrons can be held in each orbital. And what are orbitals? This also you know. Now we will go through finding out the valency. Before that, you must be knowing about one more thing, that is electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. That is the number of electrons fill in each orbital. Suppose for example we take sodium. The atomic number of sodium is 11. So now we know how many electrons can be filled in K, that is 2. It has the capacity of filling 2 electrons. So in K we filled 2. We have to fill how many? 11. How many remaining now? 9. Then in K how many we can fill? 8. But for finding the valency, I tell you one thing. You go for looking 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Anyhow, you have to make 8 electrons in the outermost shell, either by taking or by giving. So first of all we will fill it. In shell L, how many will come? 8. 2 plus 8, 10. How many filled? 10 are filled. 1 remaining. 1 will go in M. So if we draw orbitals K, L and M, this is K, this is L and this is M. In K how many? 2. In L how many? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If there are 8 electrons in the outermost shell, then it is stable. But now it is not stable. Because there is one electron in the M cell. So what you will do? We have to make anyhow 8 electrons in the outermost. How you will make it? Either you can take 7 electrons. If you take 7, 7 plus 1, 8. Or you give 1. If you give 1 out electron, what will happen? There will be 8 electrons in the outermost and it will get stable. So what is the better deal? You will call 7 persons at your home or you will say 1 to go. So I think so better is that if you are having 7 rupees loss, it's better to be 1 rupees. So you will give off the 1 electron. On giving we get plus charge and on taking we get minus charge. If we are giving an electron, the charge will be plus, and if we are taking, the charge will be minus. So here what happened in K, L and M? There was one electron in the outermost, so it gave off. So what happened? Na plus 1. Sodium got the valency plus 1. So for finding the valency, you have to go through electronic configuration, filling electrons in K, L, M, N. So this is how we find the valency for sodium. We take one more example, that is of oxygen. Oxygen, the symbol is O and the atomic number is 8. K, L, M, N. In K, how many electrons will get filled? 2. We have to fill 8. How many remaining? 6. So 6 will go in L. In K we have 2 electrons. In L we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But we know that if there are 8 electrons in the outermost cell, then it will get stable. So what it will do? It cannot give out 6 electrons because these are very close to the protons and the attraction force is very high. There will be a lot of loss of energy. So the better deal is in taking 2 electrons. When we take electrons, I told you we get minus charge. So here we are taking 2 electrons. So the valency will be minus 2. So oxygen has valency minus 2. Oxygen, O is the element symbol, 8 is the atomic number, and this is the valency. This is how you can find the valency. Once when you learn how to find out the valency, then you can easily make the formulas, the chemical formula which we make like H2O, NaCl, HNO3, AlCl3. These all are chemical formulas. This you will be able to make only when you come to learn about valency. So this is first from element number 1 to 20. You prepare the valency chart for all the elements. Find valency from hydrogen to calcium. There are 20 elements which I told you to prepare. So what you will do? You will go for their electronic configuration for each element. Second thing, you will draw orbitals and show number of electrons in each cell K, L, M and N. And the next thing, you will find their valency too. So there a problem will come regarding some elements. When you will go through, then you will come to know. Because some are there noble gases also. So they would be stable. They would be having 8 electrons in the outermost cell. So you find out how many elements are there between 1 to 20 and prepare this chart as I told you. And in our next video, we will go for finding valency for next elements also. Thank you.